In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slides with Morph transition in Canva. If you've ever admired the fluid transitions in presentations and wanted to replicate them, you're in the right place. We're going to dive into this creative process, and by the end, you'll be equipped with a fresh skill that enhances your presentation game. First off, let's get started by opening Canva. Simply navigate to Canva's website or use the app if you have it installed. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and do so. Having your environment set up properly is the first step toward a smooth experience. Once you're in Canva, it's time to create a new design. Look for the Create a Design button, usually prominent on the homepage. In the drop-down menu, you'll see various options. Choose Presentation. This setup is crucial as it provides the right dimensions and tools specifically tailored for crafting a slideshow. Now that you have a blank canvas, it's time to design your first slide. Use Canva's vast array of templates, graphics, and text options to create something visually appealing. Remember, this is the slide that will serve as the starting point for your morph transition, so include elements that can be manipulated smoothly from slide to slide. Whether it's text blocks, images, or shapes, ensure they're placed where you want the transition to begin. With your initial slide designed, the next step is to replicate its visual elements for seamless animation. Click on the Duplicate Page button. This function creates an exact copy of your first slide, maintaining consistency and saving you from starting from scratch. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure continuity across your presentation. On this duplicate page, you'll want to move some elements slightly to prepare for the morph transition. Adjust the position of your elements, whether it's shifting an image to the left or slightly enlarging a text box. These small movements set the stage for the morph effect, creating the illusion of motion as one slide transitions into the next. Now, let's add the magic touch. Click on your slide, then select the Animate Page option. This feature is where all the magic happens, allowing you to add dynamic movement between your slides. With the animation window open, you'll have several options. Here, choose Match and Move. This is Canva's version of the morph transition, and it identifies similar elements between your slides and animates them over the switch. The result is a smooth and professional transition that can captivate your audience's attention. And there you have it. A concise yet powerful way to enhance your presentations using Canva's morph transition. Practice this a few times, and you'll soon be creating slideshows that stand out with their seamless flow and modern aesthetic. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.